How to use battery sound notification app. First of all, here you have to navigate to your setting. So first of all, you have to just go for your Play Store and download the battery sound notification app here if you haven't downloaded the battery sound notification app. So just tap on the install option. So wait for the installation is completed. If you have already downloaded it, then wait for. So if you have already downloaded this on your device, you have to check for if there is any update available or not. After successfully downloading the battery sound notification here, you have to just tap on the open option to open up your battery sound notification. And here you have to just go and allow the permission in your battery sound notification here, and then you can go back. Once you are here, you have to tap on the plus icon. So just go for the plus icon. Once you are on your plus icon, here you have to just go and select the text to space. Once you have select the text to space, here you have to just go and write the I am connected here. And after that, here you have to just go and tap on this option. And here you can see that you have used the battery sound notification like this. You can easily enable and use the battery sound notification like this. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.